myself Abhishek Jadhav. Today's topic is conditional and control system. Today date is 20 January. So here, first of all, we will discuss on the conditional statement. So Java, like all other program, everyone has occupied a specific statement that allows us to check the condition and execute a certain part of coding depending on whether the condition is true or false. Such statements are called as conditional statement and are form a composite statement. For example, if a condition, if a statement, it will go inside the block only if it fulfills the if it is true, otherwise it will not execute it. The second one is control statement. In Java, a statement that determines the whether it will execute or not. It is called a control statement. It controls the flow of program. If a statement of Java determines the sequence of execution between two sets of statement. So Java provides us three types of flow control statement. First of all, decision making control statement. Second one is loop statement. Third one is jumping statement. So first of all, decision making statement. As name suggested, it makes the decision whether it will execute or not. Decision making statement evaluates the Boolean expression and controls the whether the program flow will depends upon the result of the condition. There are two types of decision making statement. First one is if statement, second one is switch statement. So second part is loop statement. In programming, sometimes we need to execute the block of codes repeatedly while some condition evaluates to true. However, loop statement are used to evaluate the set of instruction repeatedly. The execution of sets of instruction depends upon a particular condition. So here are the four conditions. First of all, do while loop. Second one is while loop. Third one is for loop, and fourth one is for each loop. These are the four types that can be used in loop statement. Then last is jump statement. Jump statement are used to transfer the control of program to a specific statement. In other words, jump statement transfer the execution control to the other part of program. There are two types of jump statement. First one is break and second one is continuous. So that's all. Thank you.